Hello everyone. I am so excited to share how I made this delicious meal with limited ingredients. And yes, I made a bread too, okay? Let's get started. So to my heated pan with canola oil, I added garlic, onions, and shallots, and then I added my jerk seasoning and Salsa Verde sauce, mixed those together, and added my soy chorizo. I let that cook down a bit with my saltless seasoning before adding my organic tomato basil marinara sauce from Trader Joe's. I also added a splash of white wine, which really brings the flavors together. My pasta is finished and I saved some pasta water to include in the sauce, and it really helps to give the sauce a nice consistency. So I also made a bread, and what seems really fancy was so simple to make. If you have flour, sugar, salt, yeast, which are staple items, you can make this bread too. And that is how I make a delicious meal with limited ingredients. This is delicious, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.